is closed.
Laps. The air temp is 25 Celsius. Follow car number 4 in the inside lane.
Catch the 7 car. Catch the 4 car.
Catch up to car number 4.
Someone?
I think so. The 5 oh, you're on second, aren't you?
Well, that close.
Do you guys go in first gear or second gear?
Don't do curves.
Ready? Pace
Okay,
cars
Derek,
in.
get ready.
Green, green, green.
First of all,
Sad.
Eighth
place. The gap to
37.719.
Johan's behind is now 0.9. That time was 30.9. The guy behind has just done a 30.9.
.058. Yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Wow.
I looked,
Lift off 3, cowboy.
I looked at my mirror and I didn't even see you guys wrecking, man. I looked at my mirror and that's how fast that was.
Sorry guys, this was my fault.
Safety car's out. Pits are closed. This car is out. Line up single file behind car number 11.
Did we put in now?
Catch stop 11, car.
That's closed.
You can't pay it to go to the doctor.
It was completely my fault. Sorry guys.
That was so fast.
Please come up.
Catch stop 11, car.
I don't even know what happened like that. Like I heard some you say
Pit road is now open.
What time? Back.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open. The leader is pitting now. Watch your speed. Engage the limiter. Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go! Line up single file. Catch stop 2, car.
Wow, I lost like 2 spots.
Pits are open.
I'm halfway. Pipe halfway. Hello, pipe car.
Just coming up to the start.
The leader, McCarthy, is pitting.
Green flag, next time by. Line up on the outside. 1
Okay,
minute
Derek,
30,
get ready.
46,
Race will resume at the end of this lap.
Hey, nice job, man.
What happened this time?
Hold on, gotta hit a dab. Where you restarting that, Mr. Ball? Thought we was gonna do it again. 2 races in a row. No cautions, but
Get ready, going green.
Not this time, but not this time. Yeah.
Pace car's leaving.
I fucked up big time. No practice.
Green flag, green flag. You're in second. Next car's the leader. 1 minute 31.966.
And so I just
Got one inside. Stay right there. Keep it on top. Clear. .164. Got one outside. Stay on the bottom. 31.462. Keep to the bottom. Clear. Got one inside. Stay right there. Keep it on top. Keep it on top. Clear to the bottom. Inside. 31.737. Clear. Inside. Still there. Clear. 31.706. Whoa! Yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Catch about 10 car.
Full course yellow. Pits are closed. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 10. We think that Johansson has gone off.
7 miles. Man.
Got 4X off that one. Please come ready to.
Pike out back straight, checking up, pike out back straight, checking up. Damn 13, come on.
Pit road is now open.
You guys change
Pits are open.
tires or just 2? You want to go to the back, stick with 2.
Left car's pitting. Watch your speed limit in the pits.
Alright.
Activate limiter.
I've never entered pit road so slow.
Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go! Line up single file.
No fuel.
Catch about 10 car.
Pike car into 3, checking up, pike car into 3.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you, bud.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Hey, Angela, y'all starting to get any cold weather up there yet?
Oh, the leaves are starting to fall though. It's nice. I love this time of year.
Michael Miller in 5. Michael Miller, you got a copy?
No snow yet, Joe.
You're a Stone Brothers fan, obviously, Michael.
So 48 mile an hour at pit road speeding?
With the perfect paint scheme, Michael. One batter, Stone Brothers with it. I was there that year, brother. I was there that year that Jason Bright won it.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Okay, bud, green flag, next time by. Line up on the outside, catch about 5,
Safety car in this lap.
1 minute,
Had a lot of
36.334.
fun up on the hill. A lot of fun.
They're partying gas. I'm just about out of dab, so y'all better watch out.
Copy that.
Getting ready here, getting ready. Pace car's in. Green, green,
flag
green.
racing.
1 minute,
7th position.
29.764 inside. Got one inside. Clears the bottom. Yellow flag is
Course
out.
yellow,
Line up
watch out.
single file. Pit road is closed. Let the 12 job on.
Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 10. Safety car's out. Pits are closed.
Everybody was going Sorry about the bump there, mate.
So the 15 pushes up pretty much.
Catch about 12 car. Pass about 11 car.
Just wanting to record it.
You're gonna pit.
Catch about 12 car. Pit road is now open.
Pits are open.
Richard Larkin. Done. Done.
Yeah, they just keep going.
I seriously don't know how some of these people get a C license. I really don't.
Car 8 got the lucky dog. Let them pass on the outside.
I'm working on my phase.
Let the 8 car by.
Damage from hitting somebody at wreck.
It's just dumb, mate. They're going flat out down the back straight. And number 17, Richard Larkin, goes up inside the white line to try and pass me on the inside when I'm holding an inside line. It's embarrassing.
Hold your line, man. Hold your line.
Oh, I did, mate. And he had no option but to push me out of the road. Just bad driving. Pathetic.
Freaking pitiful, dude. Bunch of rookies.
So all you guys look at me, this is where he was. Pushing up the position.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Maybe it's time for you to drop back to D licence, Richard. Don't want to drive, mate.
I agree. I agree.
Pit road is closed. 20 to go at the stripe.
Safety car's out. Pits are closed. All right, Derek. Halfway home. We've got plenty of fuel.
Where you from, Mr. Paul?
Say again, mate. Didn't catch that.
Said, where you from, buddy?
Melbourne, Australia.
10-4 on Australia. I always wanted to go there. I'm from West Virginia.
Ah, yeah. Copy that, yep.
West Virginia coal mining, man.
Safety car's out. Pits are closed.
I told you already, my father-in-law got a chance to go to Australia and start a mines over there. But something happened, he didn't get to go.
Yeah, the mining boom kind of bust roughly 3 years ago.
Yeah, it's been years ago. Yeah, about
Okay,
5
bud,
years
green
ago
flag,
or
next
something.
time by. Line up on the outside.
Okay, Derek,
Check stop
get ready.
17,
Race
stop.
will resume at the end of this lap.
1 minute 35.082.
So I want to go. I want to go.
Yeah, come out, brother. Yep, come out.
We started mines in New Mexico for him. And then he was supposed to go to Australia, but something happened. He didn't get to go.
Yeah, copy that.
Getting ready here, getting ready. Pace car's in. Green flag, green flag. Inside, 1 minute 30,
V6.
2, 3, 3, stay high.
Man, you can't do that, bro.
Clear.
Down.
Oh, wait.
Inside. Clear.
Speed up my truck.
Five, 45, 2, 1. You're back in fifth. Outside. Clear outside.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
One point 789. Got one outside. Clear outside.
Sixth place.
1. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Catch stop 10, car.
Full course yellow. Pits are closed. Pace cars out. Line up single file behind car 10.
Glad I made it through that one.
Pace car back straight, checking up. Pace car back straight, coming into 3.
Pit road is now open.
Pits are open.
Let's have them out now. I think so. That's good.
The leader's pitting now. Watch your speed limit in the pits. Activate limiter.
I'm jumping. Yeah, I think he was in every incident involved.
Box in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go!
I had 4 minutes. Parallel run. 4 minutes.
Line up single file.
3 to go. Just 50 seconds again.
Sketch stop 10, car.
Pace car going into 3. Pace car going into 3.
Sketch stop 10, car.
Safety car is out. Pits are now open.
Pace car going into 1. Pace car going into 1. Pace car going into 3. Pace car going into 3.
Pits are open.
Hey, Paul, are the Great Whites there the whole year round? Or is it a certain season that they come in and take care of business?
Okay, bud, green flag, next time by. Line up on the outside.
Race will resume at the end of this lap.
1 minute 36.108.
Copy, mate. Start fishing's our favourite pastime.
And lap shootout.
Be aware of number 17, Richard Larkin. He's happy to wreck everyone for a position.
Ready? Pace car's leaving. Green, green, green. 1 minute 28.869. Inside. 10 laps to go.
Okay, Derek, the next car is Fernandez.
33.287. .174. .1.232. 31.44 inside. Clear to the bottom. Got one outside. Still there. Clear to the top. Inside, clear to the bottom. Inside, clear, outside, 32.401, clear, 5 laps to go.
Alright, Derek, push now. We can catch this guy.
.038. .375.
Gone outside track limits. Come on, keep it between the lines.
Two to go. .915.
2 to go.
Got one outside. Keep to the bottom, clear. White flag next time by a stripe. .868.
P8. One more lap to go.
Got one inside, clear inside.
I'll remember your wicked laughing. I'll remember.
P7. Okay, we're done.
That's the checkered flag. Great job, driver.
2-6 damage over there, dumb shit. We'll shoot you a friend's request, Paul.
Look out for the pit speed limit. Engage the limiter. Box in 5, 4.
The race is over.
3, 2, 1. Box now.
That's it, go!